How to remove watermark from videos in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an effective way to remove watermarks from your videos using Capcut. Stick around till the end to find out how. Let's dive in. First, open the Capcut app, tap on Start New Project, import your video into the timeline. Begin with duplicating the video by selecting the clip and tapping Duplicate from the bottom menu bar. Next, select the duplicated clip. Scroll through the bottom menu and choose Overlay. Place the duplicated clip as an overlay beneath the main video. Now apply a blur effect. Go to the Effects menu and apply a blur effect to the entire video. Drag the effect across the length of the clip. Select the object and add the blur effect specifically to the duplicate layer. To fine-tune, add a mask to the blurred layer. Scroll through the bottom menu and select Mask. Adjust the mask size to cover the watermark. Position it accurately over the watermark area. Adjust the mask's feathering to blend it seamlessly with the rest of the video. And there you have it. That's how you can remove watermarks from your videos in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite method or any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.